So hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tech World. Here with us is Pox. Well, we join Pox to a Pox allocation to Bybit and a Bigate wallet. That is the one they've provided right now, Bybit and Bigate wallet. So what you have to do now, you come over to TG. So on your TJ, you see next, click on next, you see your allocation that is there. So you can see that the claim allocation has been activated. All you have to do now is to click on the claim allocation and then accept their terms and conditions. Then click continue. On your continue now, you can see that we have a centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. Let me go back. Let me go over. This is the terms and condition. Click on it. Click terms and condition, then click on Bybit and Biget wallet. You have to click on then Bybit. Then you see I have it. You say yes. What they request from us is just two things: Bybit and Bybit UIDs and deposit address. So we'll go over to our Bybit wallet and bring the UID and the deposit address. So when you come over to Bybit, you click deposit, then come to deposit and crypto. Then you search for Pulse. Search for Pulse. When you search for Pulse, you see it there, you click on it, then click the network. Then you see remove this. You see you copied this. You understand now? You paste it there, you copy. Then you come over to how to get the UID. Go back again. This symbol, click on it. Then you see it, just click and hold a little. You see that it copy. Then when you copy this one now, then go over to what? To your Pox airdrop. Then let's paste it there and send. So what you will doing, you copy the Bybit, paste it here, copy the deposit and then paste it here. I'll show you how to get those two. Then click continue and that is all. Don't want this video to be longer and that is all. Then wait till they will what? Distribute the on the 18th which the allocation will come and everything and you are true. So thank you very much for this video.